Today, I am going to share with you a story about Point. Now, I will first of all show you how Point looked when he was very small. Now, when we all are very small, how do we look? We are very tiny, isn't it? So, even Point was very tiny, just like a dot. So, you see how Point looked when he was born? He was very small, tiny, just like a dot. Now, as years passed by, Point grew up and many points came together to give a new shape. And what is this shape? Well, this is a straight, tall, thin shape. Where do you see such shape? Well, one very good example is straw. So, whenever you see a straw, don't you feel it's tall, it's straight, and it's thin? Now, what do we call this shape? Well, this shape is called a line. So, a line is tall, straight, and thin. Now, what are some common examples of line which you see in your daily lives? Well, straw is a very common example. Straw which you use to drink different drinks. And then you have pencil which you use to write. Even this is straight, thin, and tall. Now, what about railway track? Well, even railway track is very straight and thin, just like a line. And what about the zebra crossing? Well, these white shapes are nothing but lines. So you see, they are thin and straight, just like a line. So all these are very common examples of line. Now, as Lion grew up, he went to school. Now, just like we all want to have friends in our lives, even Lion wanted to make friends. But he had no friends. He was very sad. Now, what do you think was the reason that he had no friends? Well, whenever he went out to make new friends, strong winds blew him away because he was very thin, and as a result, he couldn't make any friends and he was very sad. So you see, what did he do? He thought that I am very thin. That's why I don't have any friends. So I should eat more so that I can gain some weight, and then I will be able to make more friends. So he started eating. Now, once he ate so much food, his shape actually changed. He gained weight. And now, how does he look like? Well, he is somewhat round, but not exactly round. He is actually tapered on these two edges. So, towards these two edges, the round shape actually tapers, isn't it? So, he is somewhat round, but not exactly round. Now, which is a very common thing you see almost every day and has a similar shape? Well, if you see, egg has a very similar shape. So, it's somewhat roundish. As you can see, it's thick in the middle and tapers off towards these two ends. So you see, what exactly is this shape? What is the name of this shape? Well, it is the oval shape. So you see, when we talk about egg or shape of the egg, it's oval. So some common things which are oval in shape are the chips which you eat, the potato chips, they are oval in shape. Can you see? They are roundish, but not exactly round. Okay, what about egg? Well, definitely we saw that egg has an oval shape. Now, What about soap? Well, such soaps also have an oval shape. They are roundish, but not exactly round. Thick at the middle and taper towards these two ends. And the badminton racket. Well, this part of the racket actually has an oval shape. So you see, all these things in our day-to-day lives are oval in shape. Now that he was oval, he was able to make two friends and he was very happy. So he could go out and meet his friends anytime. Now he thought that I am oval, I have eaten some food, I have become oval and I have two friends. What if I eat more? He thought, if I eat more, I will be able to make more friends. So, to have more friends, he started eating more. So, he ate a lot of food. So, once he ate a lot of food, his shape changed. So, he became round, exactly round. So, by eating this much food, he became round. So, he was very happy. So, this is the shape. Now, he has become round. So, you see, you cannot say that it's thick at one point and tapers at one point. Now, it is exactly round, a very uniform round. Now, he liked these shape a lot. He thought, now that he has eaten more, he'll be able to make more friends. Now, where do you see this shape? What is the most common example of this? Well, if you see a coin is exactly round in shape, just like isn't it? And what do we call this shape? Well, this shape is called a circle. So, when you have exactly round shape, it's called a circle. Now, let's see some more examples of circle. So, definitely, coin has a circular shape. What about a plate? Well, even such plates have a circular shape. What about clock? Even such clocks exactly resemble a circle. And what about the ball? Well, the ball which you see here is also round in shape. That is, it resembles a circle. So, all these are examples of circle. So, Circle was very happy and he went to the park to make more friends. But something happened which was not planned at all. Well, when he went to the park, he saw one of his old friends and he wanted to go to her and talk to her. But when he tried to go towards her, he couldn't walk. He was round. He started rolling and he couldn't talk to her. So, what exactly happened? Well, instead of making new friends, he even lost his old friends and he was very sad. So, you see, because he was a circle now, he was rolling continuously and he couldn't hang out with his friends. As a result, he was very sad. So, what did he do to resolve his problem? Well, for that, we'll see the next lecture. So, to find out what did Circle do to make new friends, we will have to watch the next lecture. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.